friend's wedding online. So if you can hear the sound, that is me attending my friend's wedding. This is one of the things that, you know, it just hits so hard when you're out of the country. These are the things that you really miss out on. And earlier you have taken all of these things for granted. Okay, the getting ready stuff and scheduling, the timings with your friends, it just, I miss it so much. My friends are there attending the wedding and I'm here in my PJs looking at the video. Beautiful wedding, beautiful. So for non-Indian viewers, if I have any, this is called Ganga Aarti. Another day, another sleigh. It's really cold outside. Predictions are that there will be a snowstorm tomorrow, so I guess it will be very cold and electricity might not be there. So today I'm washing my hair and I haven't oiled my hair for a really long time, so I just made a homemade mask which consisted of aloe vera gel and some egg white. Hair mask has always helped me in getting that good volume up, right? So when I dry my hair, I'll show you how this mask works for me. After my everything shower, I was really hungry. Today I'm having my breakfast very late hour. It's approximately around, I think, 11 o'clock in the morning. The weather doesn't seem that great, so I will scramble some eggs, egg burji, and some bread, and my favorite cheese spread, which is chive and onion, some garma garam chai. And I'm watching the series Younger. I've just started it and I'm actually loving it. So those who are looking to watch something on the lines of Sex and the City and some other mellowed drama, this is something that you can watch. Hello guys, good morning. So it didn't snow as it was predicted, so it looks like this. Very little bit. That is it. That is what you are getting for snow right now. It's looking so pretty. Wait, let me show you.